monitor. We probably won't get a signal in here. If we did, it would pick up signals from things like the radar sensor, transmitted via EasyNet. But this one, with no Wi-Fi connection, I've got 8 toggle switches going via 8-port expander, which is why I've got 8 ports showing on the display. They're actually green on the TFT, but the phone is very washed out colour. Anyway, you can change the number of inputs easily enough. Back to 8. And the sound can be toggled on and off. If I press one of the inputs, that should be red, but it's orange on the phone. Put the sound on, and that will now speak whatever that input is.
Gate 1 visitor.
That says Gate 1 visitor.
Enter door.
That's hangar door. This would be workshop.
Enter beam.
No, hangar beam. And then this is workshop.
Workshop.
Hey. So that allows picking up and announcing any triggers that have been sent from any other things. Right. Now for the thermostat. That's a thermometer, not a penis, just in case you're wondering. Again, if there's Wi-Fi connection, it will send ons and offs to an EasyNet S20 to turn something on or off when it goes above or below the threshold, depending on what the mode it is set to. Fan mode, if the temperature goes above the threshold, that's what this is now, by the way. But I'm in a cold trailer, so the temperature isn't above the threshold. If it goes above and it's in fan mode, then it will send an on to turn on a fan. If it's in heater mode, then it will send an on when it goes below the threshold, but it's currently set for fan. So if I drop the threshold, we'll see at some point, and it changes colour to show that it's sent an on, so that's red. And when it sends an off, it goes green. Right, so the set point is in the centre. Whatever the maximum and minimum temperatures are seen are remembered and displayed. Minimum there, maximum to the right of it. A bit difficult to see, but it also has alarms, so you can set a minimum alarm and a maximum alarm. I set the minimum to be 1 degree and the maximum to be 40. You don't get it by default, you have to press again once you've got those things displayed. So left is a minimum alarm and that's a maximum alarm. A is the alarm status, shows whether the alarms are currently turned on or off. Is green, so they're off. So when those temperatures, alarm temperatures, are exceeded, it won't be sending a trigger. But if it was turned on, then it could send a trigger via Wi-Fi. This times out the screen clutter out after so many seconds. If you, while you've got everything on, the S is sound.
Temperature is 19.0.
You might not want that on, but it is on demand, so it might only speak when you press the center button, for instance. The flashing degree symbol is just a confidence sign. If that's flashing, you know it hasn't hung. The purple down chevron is showing the temperature trend. If there's no temperature change, after a few seconds it disappears, whereas I see blowing into the side, but I don't know whether that'll make any difference. It will show the temperature trend, whether it's tending to rise or fall. That's about it for that.